So what we're going to do in the event where this happens, where it doesn't work out perfectly for us when we're solving, is we're going to end up getting a decimal. So in your calculator, here's how you would do this. So if we want the fourth root, you would put in 4, and you're going to go to math, and you're looking at number 5 there. So number 4 would be if you're doing the third root. Since we're doing the fourth root, we want number 5. That little x there, that x you can make anything that you want. So this works for any root. So what your calculator is going to know, since you put that 4 first, it's putting the 4 in for x. So it knows we want the fourth root of 64. So about 2.83 is what we'll say here. So something we have to be careful of when we're solving. 2.83 to the fourth power is going to be approximately 64. But what I want to think about, and this came up when we were solving square roots also, 2.83, if I make that negative and raise it to the fourth power, since when I multiply a negative by itself 4 times, it's still going to be a positive 64. So this happens when I have those even roots that I'm looking at. I end up with a plus or minus out in front. So my last step would then be to subtract the 5 over. And we can come up with approximate answers then by adding or subtracting the 5. So, or excuse me, adding or subtracting the 2.83. So when I do negative 5 minus 2.83, I end up with negative 7.83. Or when you do negative 5 plus 2.83, you end up with negative 2.17. So for today, that's kind of how we're going to approach those. When we're solving, we would want an exact answer. So if it's not a perfect root, we would check it in the calculator. All right, looking at the next one then. So same idea. I want to get that x piece by itself. So we add 32 to each side. So I get x to the 5th equals negative 32. And then to get rid of that 5th power, I'm going to raise it to the 1/5. So I would have just x equals, and this is the 5th root of negative 32. So I would think about what number do I have to multiply by itself 5 times to get 32. That would be 2. Since it's a negative 32, we want negative 2. So the odd powers are a little different in that if it's negative, the root has to be negative. If it's positive, the root has to be positive. But even powers, it could be either or. All right, let's look at this last one here. So I want to get that x to the 3rd by itself, so we're going to go ahead and subtract 100. And to get rid of that negative 1/10 out in front, I'm going to multiply each side by negative 10. So I get x to the 3rd equals negative 10 is negative, so positive 1,000. Raise this to the 1/3 power. So that would just be x, and I'm looking at the 3rd root of 1,000. So what number would I multiply by itself to get 1,000? When I do that 3 times, it would be 10. Kind of a hint for the powers of 10 too, however many zeros there are, that is your power. So 10 to the 2nd has 2 zeros, 10 to the 3rd has 3 zeros, and so on. So now you guys have an assignment in Google Classroom you're going to try. You're just trying your best here, so we'll look at kind of a variation of this tomorrow, and then on Friday you guys will have some opportunity to practice this some more before we do a check. So just kind of try your best here. You're just practicing.